Jane was furious. Her neighbor Tom was constantly making noise at night, disturbing her sleep. She decided to take revenge. One day, when Tom left home, Jane quietly sneaked in and replaced his toothpaste with glue. When Tom returned and tried to brush his teeth, he discovered that his mouth was glued shut. In a panic, he tried to tear his teeth away from the brush, but to no avail. Jane had a hard time holding back her laughter as she watched him suffer. In the end, Tom had to see a doctor to get his mouth glued shut. Now, Jane can sleep peacefully at night, knowing that she has avenged her suffering.